Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Poke on the other side of the screen. We'll hold them on this side.
Got it! The nerve.
Forget it! Wait a minute! What?
Look at that!
There's no lawyer. The court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
You're such a nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take good care of you, even though you're not a frog.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Customers! Customers, everyone! Customers!
Here is. You are a sight for soaring lights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Man, I
Spy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget massively charming.
Y volvemos a los tics de Jig con Jig Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón.
put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Sweet pea, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming!
Yes.
Yes?
What? Yes. Huh? Yes, of course you can have your old job back. Let go.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Lightning McQueen!
Good job. Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for lightning McQueen.
Look at you, all charged up to race, but I don't have a chance against go.
Mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is.
For goodness sake.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
No pit stopo. Comprendo? Okay.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.